Yeah, so here is the fix for something that'll happen every now and then with the Zipbolt Super UT. And what happens is the gear housing with lots of dry fits on and off kind of thing will kind of strip the starting threads on this rod. So we've a couple of Canadian boys here. We figured out a way to fix an Australian piece of equipment. Hope you liked the video. All right, so I've used these Super UT post fasteners for a number of years and probably installed more than 100 newel posts with them, and I think they work great. And I'm not going to change my system at all. But I have run into an issue 3 different times on where the gear housing, I think it goes onto the threads maybe, and it's misaligned or what have you, and I end up cross-threading the gear housing onto the rod, and I end up with this problem where the top of the thread is stripped. And I figured out a way to repair this using a tap and die kit with the help of my brother-in-law, who's a mechanic. And you can simply do a repair with a die, and then you're away to the races. And especially if it's a situation where you've already got your rod into the floor, you've already got your post milled and ready to go, and you run into this problem, here's the fix for it.
Okay, that makes sense, then. 0.25.
What's it called?
So it's a 0.25. That's the thread pitch.
Thread pitch is 0.25.
So
I got my brother-in-law Jody helping me here. So correction, that is a 1.25 pitch. Does that make more sense? Good. All right, so that is we think, the closest thread. 10 millimeter, a 125. See if we can't fix this puppy.
okay. Yeah, that cleaned it up.
Cleaned it up?
Yep.
Okay, let's give her a try.
Okay.
Better than it was, for sure.
Where's that thread?
Okay, I'm gonna give that a try. There we go. Bob's your uncle.
Okay, that worked.
So we used a 10 millimeter by 125, got the thread straightened out, and then I think the gear housing did the rest of the job. So now this is now working. Yeah. Yeah, so I've rescued that. Now we can use it again. Well, I hope this has been helpful. Let me know in the comments if you've ever run into this problem, and we'll see you on the next video.
Okay. Down, girl. Sit down.